everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to cover IELTS writing task 2 question. So let's read the question first. With growing population in cities, more and more people live in a home with small or no outdoor areas. It means as the population is growing, more and more people have started living with either small or no outdoor areas. Means people have very limited area for outdoor activities. So what do you think? This is a positive development or this is a negative development? So we have underlined our main keywords, and with the help of these keywords we will start our question. We will start with our introduction. Now before discussing my simple answer, I would like to evaluate my students' writing first. So this is my one of the students' writing. I'm going to evaluate it today. So if there is any mistakes, then you can also learn many things from this person's mistakes. So let's start reading. Population has been rising at an accelerating rate. As a result, less space for accommodation. Now this line is correct as a result, but this line the subject is missing. So instead of less space for accommodation, what we could write? There is less space for accommodation. Then more people nowadays live in flats. We will start our sentence with nowadays. So we will write nowadays, comma, more people live in flats with either less outdoor areas, no parks. Now here is also a mistake, but we can say limited outdoor space. Instead of area, we could say space, or word is missing here, no parks. So rest of the things are correct. Let's move to the next paragraph. Firstly, parks provide greenery to the environment. This sentence is correct. Trees and bushes and plants not only keep the air fresh, but also rejuvenates residents' eyes, mind and body. Now first line is correct, but here is the mistake. Tree, bushes and plants not only keep the air fresh but also rejuvenates. S is not required here because we are talking about many things. We are talking about plural things. So that's why plural subject is required. Residents. So apostrophe should be there. Next is hence it could. Now the C should be small. It could be truly said that. That is missing. So instead of saying it could be truly, we can say it could truly be said that. So this is the correct formation. Outside areas are essential for relaxing and rejuvenating. For instance, I have a playground in my flat. This is also correct. We can take examples from our lives also. So this is also correct. Sentence is also correct. Although it is not very big. Instead of writing big, we can say large. It provides me energy whenever I explore it in my free time. Now it provides me energy. Instead of writing this, it provides me energy, we could say it energizes me whenever I explore it in my free time. Secondly, these outside areas are shared by a locality. Now instead of outside areas, here it could be outdoor areas. And because we are talking about a plural thing, these. So here A is wrong. Instead of A, we could say the. Locality is also correct. We can also write community. So secondly, these outdoor areas are shared by the community or shared by the locality. Next, this means that these are common places for people to meet. No mistake in this sentence. They can communicate. Now, C should be small, communicate with each other and even can discuss many problems. Rest of the sentence is fine. Due to hectic schedule, now people have less time to visit others' house. Now here, now people, instead of writing this, we will write people now have less time to visit other houses. Not house. We are talking about many. We are talking about many persons, people. So houses. Consequently, these places provide a common space. Common, C again, it should be small. Space to. To is wrong here, to the neighborhood. For the neighborhood. This also leads to stress and burden. Now rest of the things are fine. So overall in these two paragraphs, introduction is fine, but opinion is missing. Writer doesn't write anything about his or her opinion, which is essential in this type of task. And here there are many silly mistakes, like C should be small, or here also C should be small. So these are the silly mistakes which definitely impact our bands. Let's move towards the next paragraph. Lastly, due to scarcity of land and increasing population. Now here due to the word is missing. Due to the scarcity of land and the increasing population. Articles are very much important in IELTS writing. So please pay attention towards your article. People have no choice to own any green area. Now here is the contraction. So we could say people have no choice but to own any green area. This means they have started proper utilization of natural resources. Again, this means they have started the is missing here, the proper utilization of natural resources. Common water, land and air give everybody a chance to explore natural beauty. Now here again common C should be capital, E should be small. Common and explore. Rest of the things are fine in this paragraph. Let's move towards the next. Although there are many plethora of positive development, instead of saying many plethora of, we can simply write although there are many positive developments. Many or plethora of, only one thing is required here. So plethora of is not correct. Next, other side of the coin should also be analyzed. The other side of the coin. Developments, S, and the other side of the coin. Less outdoor space is a drawback for children. Now this is correct sentence, no mistake in this sentence. As flats are big and huge population live there. Instead of writing this, we can modify it. Now there is grammatical mistake in this sentence. We can say as flats are big, a huge population lives there. A huge population lives there. So again article is missing and subject and verb. And subject and verb agreement is also a problem in this sentence. It could be difficult for children to play at once. No problem in this sentence. Consequently, problems like overcrowding could be a major issue. Now again this sentence is correct. To sum up, as, yeah, it should be small. As people have the only option, the missing, again the scarcity of land and rising population. So again article is the problem in this sentence. Small outdoor area is better than nothing. Instead of writing nothing, we can say having none. A small outdoor area is better than having none. Those who have no area, they can share others' area, which may be at distance, and these have more advantages than disadvantages. Now those who have no area, they can share others' area. Those who have no outdoor area, which area we are talking about? Outdoor word is appropriate in this sentence. They can share others, apostrophe s is required, others area or others spaces, which may be at distance. Instead of writing which may be, we could say even if they are at distance, कि अगर वो दूर भी है तब भी वो वाला एरिया जो है वो शेयर कर सकते हैं. And these have more advantages than disadvantages. Now again there are so many silly mistakes, but otherwise sentences are fine. Now let's move towards my simple answer. In recent years, the rapid urbanization of cities has led to an increasing number of people living in homes with limited or no outdoor spaces. रिसेंट ईयर्स में क्योंकि अर्बनाइजेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुकी है, सो उससे क्या हो रहा है, बहुत सारे जो लोग हैं वो होम्स में रहना स्टार्ट हो गए हैं और उनके पास ये वाली फैसिलिटी बहुत कम है, या तो लिमिटेड है या फिर उनके पास आउटडोर जो स्पेसेस है वो नहीं है. While some may view this trend as a positive development, कईयों के लिए ये पॉजिटिव डेवलपमेंट हो सकती है. I fairly believe it constitutes a negative trend due to the several compelling reasons. लेकिन मेरे लिए ये क्या है, नेगेटिव डेवलपमेंट है और इसका जो रीजंस हैं वो मैंने फॉलोइंग पैराग्राफ्स में कवर किए हैं. Firstly, the concentrated living spaces in urban areas significantly affect the physical well-being of both adults and children. So सबसे पहले मैंने adults and children की बात की है, अब मैं इन दोनों को ही आगे elaborate करूंगी. Children in particular lack adequate space to engage in physical activities essential for their typical development. अब children के पास क्योंकि बहुत सारी space नहीं है तो वो जो physical activities हैं वो कैसे करेंगे? With a limited room to play, they may turn to sedentary activities like video games or televisions, leading to detrimental health effects in the long term. और क्योंकि उनके पास पूरी स्पेस नहीं है प्ले करने के लिए तो वो क्या हो जाएंगे, उनको बहुत सारी जो वीडियो गेम्स, टेलीविजन, जो इंडोर एक्टिविटीज है वही करनी पड़ेगी, जिसका कि सीधा असर जो होगा वो उनके हेल्थ के ऊपर पड़ेगा. Additionally, adults struggle to find space for exercise. Adults को एक्सरसाइज के लिए स्पेस नहीं मिलेगी, which is crucial for maintaining a good health, जो कि गुड हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी है. This sedentary lifestyle can result in health issues such as obesity and an increased risk of heart diseases. अब क्योंकि एक्सरसाइज नहीं होगी तो डेफिनेटली मोटापे की प्रॉब्लम या फिर हार्ट डिसीजेस की जो प्रॉब्लम है वो इंक्रीज होगी. सो मेनली आई हैव डिस्कस दिस पॉइंट्स, एडल्ट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन. व्हाट आर द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ लिमिटेड outdoor spaces on adults and children, that is explained in this paragraph. Let's move towards the next paragraph. Secondly, the absence of communal outdoor areas hinders community interactions. Second, मैंने ये बोला है कि अगर outdoor spaces नहीं होगी तो लोगों के पास जो कम्युनिटी इंटरेक्शन, सोशल एंगेजमेंट जो है वो बहुत कम हो जाएगा. In neighborhoods with limited open spaces, residents are less likely to engage in outdoor activities and social with their neighbors. वो बाहर बहुत कम निकलेंगे, अपने neighbors के साथ बहुत कम मिलेंगे, सो उनका जो socialize होना वो बहुत ही कम हो जाएगा. As a result, the sense of community and social cohesion within these areas diminishes. और इसके साथ क्या होगा कि इन एरियाज में जो सोशल कोहेजन है या कम्युनिटी या फिर लोगों में जो कोलैबोरेशन है वो बहुत ही कम हो जाएगा, लीडिंग टू इंक्रीज्ड आइसोलेशन एंड लोनलीनेस अमंग रेजिडेंट्स. और लोग घर में ही अकेला रहना वो शुरू कर देंगे, आइसोलेशन की प्रॉब्लम जो है वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. In conclusion, the trend of residing in homes with limited outdoor spaces ultimately poses significant challenges to the well-being of individuals and community. So conclusion में मैं ये बोलूँगी कि जो ये वाला ट्रेंड है जो कि लिमिटेड आउटडोर स्पेसिस का है, इसका सीधा असर हमारी वेलबींग पे पड़ेगा, इंडिविजुअल्स की वेलबींग पे भी पड़ेगा और कम्युनिटी की वेलबींग पे भी पड़ेगा. मीन्स इंडिविजुअल्स पे भी पड़ेगा और सोसाइटी पे भी पड़ेगा. Therefore, it is essential for the policymaker and urban planner to address these challenges and prioritize the creation of green spaces, communal areas to ensure the health and happiness of the city residents. So इसलिए जो policy makers हैं या जो planners हैं उनको ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि ये वाले जो ग्रीन स्पेसिस हैं और जो कम्युनल एरियाज हैं, मीन्स जो आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज के लिए जो स्पेसिस हैं उनको अच्छे से प्लान करा जाए ताकि हेल्थ और हैप्पीनेस का भी ध्यान रखा जाए. So this is my sample answer. I hope this is clear to you. और जो मिस्टेक ये स्टूडेंट ने की है वो आप अपनी राइटिंग में नहीं करोगे. I hope this video is valuable for you.